Hey Tech Explorers! Welcome back to another exciting episode on Tech Explorer. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz around the highly anticipated Vivo S20 Pro. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news and reviews. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The Vivo S20 Pro features a sleek and modern design with a glass front and back, and a plastic frame one. The phone is expected to come in multiple color variants, including a stunning gray option. The design is not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. The S20 Pro is designed to be ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Plus, it boasts an IP68 IP69K rating for dust and water resistance, ensuring durability. Next up, let's talk about the display. The Vivo S20 Pro features a large 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1260x2800 pixels. This display promises vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, you can expect buttery smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. The thin bezels and high screen-to-body ratio contribute to a more immersive experience, and the touch sampling rate ensures that every touch is registered instantly. This is crucial for gamers who need precise and responsive controls. Additionally, the display supports HDR10+, enhancing the dynamic range and color accuracy for a more lifelike viewing experience. Under the hood, the Vivo S20 Pro is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. This processor is designed to deliver top-notch performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding applications. It's a significant upgrade from its predecessor, ensuring that the S20 Pro can handle anything you throw at it with ease. Let's break down what this means for everyday use. The Dimensity 9300 Plus is built on a 4nm process, making it more power efficient and capable of higher performance. This means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and an overall snappier experience. For gamers, this chipset promises to deliver high frame rates and reduced latency, making your gaming sessions more enjoyable. Moreover, the AI capabilities of the Dimensity 9300 Plus are enhanced, allowing for better camera performance, smarter voice assistance, and improved battery management. Imagine taking photos with advanced AI features that automatically adjust settings for the best shot, or having a voice assistant that understands and responds to your commands more accurately. Now, let's dive into the camera system. The Vivo S20 Pro is expected to feature a triple camera setup with 350MP sensors. This setup includes a wide-angle camera, a telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and an ultra-wide camera. The front camera is also expected to be 50MP, optimized for selfies and video calls. With advanced AI capabilities, the camera can automatically adjust settings to capture the best shot in any scenario. Whether you're taking photos in low light or capturing fast-moving subjects, the S20 Pro's camera is designed to deliver stunning results. The inclusion of optical image stabilization, OIS, ensures that your photos and videos are sharp and clear, even in challenging conditions. Moving on to memory and storage, the Vivo S20 Pro comes with multiple configurations. You can choose from 8GB, 12GB, or 16GB of RAM, paired with 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. This flexibility ensures that you have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos, and the RAM options mean you can pick the right performance level for your needs. With 16 gigabytes of RAM, you can keep more apps open in the background without experiencing any slowdown. And with up to 512 gigabytes of storage, you'll have ample space for all your high-resolution photos, 4K videos, and large game files. Additionally, the S20 Pro supports UFS 3.1 storage, offering faster read and write speeds compared to older storage technologies. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and the Vivo S20 Pro doesn't disappoint. It's expected to pack a 5500 mAh battery, which should easily last you through a full day of heavy use. And when you do need to recharge, the 90W wired charging will get you back up and running in no time. With a 5500 mAh battery, you can expect up to 10 hours of screen on time, depending on your usage. And with 90W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 30 minutes. Wireless charging is another great feature, especially if you have a wireless charging pad on your desk or nightstand. Let's not forget the extra features that make the Vivo S20 Pro stand out. It includes an optical in-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring you have the fastest internet speeds available. Other features include dual stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience, NFC for contactless payments, and the latest OxygenOS 5 based on Android 15. So, there you have it, folks. The Vivo S20 Pro is shaping up to be an impressive mid-range contender with flagship-level features. From its stunning design and powerful display to its versatile camera system and robust battery life, this phone has a lot to offer. What are your thoughts on the Vivo S20 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.